Welcome to Galaxy Advisors. The purpose of this video is to explain what's new in Condor 2.66. First of all, if you have not downloaded Condor 2.66, go to this website, which is actually in the description of the video underneath on YouTube here. So if you need any links here, you'll find the links below the description. But download Condor 2.66 and install it. We assume you have had all the other required software installed: Java, Java 3D, MySQL, and the optional Navicat. If not, please see how to install Condor on a Mac, a PC, and now on Amazon Web Services at the following URL. So what is new in Condor 2.66? Well, first of all, when you have it installed, click on Help About. You should see that it is version 2.66, just to confirm that. And then here's to finally read the kind of 6 major changes in the new version. Under the new tool, you'll see a web, a CSE, standing for Google Custom Search Engine. And so there's a number of options there. Under new, also under the View menu command, you'll see an email option for calculating a social status as well. There is a new tool called Web Fetcher, which is for the server-only version of Condor, and that's only available. You'll see it in the menu, but it only actually is operational for the server version. 3 actually tools have been disabled. Under Tool Video Collector, under Tool Web Bing Search, and under Tool Web Bing New Search. Those things have been disabled because Microsoft changed the Bing to a new Azure API, and it was the feeling that the Google Custom Search was really still the best search engine and no need to update those. So those are really the major changes in 2.66. Now again, if you look under Tools, you're going to see a Web Search New, which will show you a little bit more in detail the new Google Custom Search Engine form and the options that you have. Really, the Video Collector, it's still in the menu, but it's really no longer operational since it used the Bing key. And then again, indicating that at the very bottom there's something called Web Fetcher, which is really for the Condor server only. So now if we look at the new Google Customer Search Engine, you'll see very common familiar form of the query results degree, insert the query. However, there has been added a show query syntax. If you click that, you're going to be taken to the XML API reference, and you can see all the detail regarding creating really a kind of customized query. In addition, there are 10 custom search options been incorporated into the Google search engine. You can request a restriction to around a particular country, a date restriction, exact terms, excluding terms, a duplicate filter, a link site, a language, a related site, a site search including, site search excluding, so you can really get a very customized Google web search with these 10 options that you can use one or all of them at a time. So again, disabled tools of the use of the Bing search and the Bing New search no longer operational. And then finally, under the View command, if you have email and you want to process a social status of the email participants, you can do this. What the social status does is it calculates the overall number of words, number of messages, and so on, and a ratio of the number of equal words. And really, you're able to visualize that next. Under View, once you have a view, you can click View Resize by Number of Equal Words Ratio. And the equal word ratio is the count of the number of I words plus the count of the we words divided by the number of words, so the total number of words. So that's going to give you a ratio. And in this graph here is an example. The smaller number of nodes are the smaller the circle is actually the nodes with higher social status. If you want some more information and background on that, see James Pennybecker's book, The Secret Life of Pronouns, published in 2012. So those are really the quick overview of the 6 changes. The Most importantly, the new web tool, CSE, the new email social status option. And if you're using the server option, you have a new web fetcher. And 3 tools, video collector, Bing search, and Bing news search are disabled. For really kind of a video if you want to look at is how to obtain a Google Customer Search Engine API key, and that will give you it's free. You can use it for 100 searches a day without any additional cost. And if you watch that video, it'll show you how to obtain that Google CSE API key, which you'll need. That's it, and welcome to Galaxy Advisors in Condor 2.66.